Okay, so now we will start with projectile motion. Okay, this is far much more advanced, well, a little bit more advanced than what we have done until now. What we checked were the bases. Now we will use like a lot of applications to that things that you already knew. Remember, once again, everything is now in a picture, so everything is now 2D. Okay, you have I components and Y components. So from this lines graph, we can tell that we're gonna have a force or a velocity here. Well, we'll start with velocities actually. So this velocity is going to have a magnitude. Most of the time we're going to be given. It's going to be given, okay? And it's going to be a ball. It can be a cannonball. I don't know. A bullet. It can be almost anything that has been thrown. Okay, so you're going to be given the magnitude and the angle. Okay, magnitude and the angle. Okay, most of the time you're given with that. So if you know that, you can know the x component and the y component. This is going to be the x component, as you can tell, and as it is the adjacent thing to the angle. It's going to be a cosine, that is VO cosine of theta. This is the thing that's related exactly here. On the other hand, the y component, as you're probably guessing, it's going to be the one over here. And yes, you're right. This is V0 sine of theta. Okay, and it's this guy over here. Okay, most of the time, once again, you're gonna be given additional data, and that data is like the initial points where everything starts. So you're given most of this thing. If you're not given that information, you can assume that is 0. Okay, that is the origin. Just if there is no info. If there is no info. Okay, that says otherwise. Okay, now we're gonna assume that the movement in the x-axis is gonna have like constant velocity. So if there is constant velocity, this is gonna be 0. Velocity is gonna be a constant. Just in the x-axis, okay? Just here, don't forget it. In the y-axis, everything is gonna be it was gonna have acceleration. Okay, so it's not, the velocity is not constant. It's ever gonna be constant. Okay, and we're gonna assume that gravity goes down all the time. Therefore, the negative sign over here. Okay, pay attention to this. Negative is gonna be gravity is always gonna go down, so we're gonna take it as negative. Okay, the velocity once again is given by just the velocity in x is going to be constant. The velocity in y is going to be determined by the initial velocity and the gravity. Now, you just need to write it to your heart, deep into it, into them. This formula for x-axis, the velocity is constant. And here, where everything is influenced by the gravity. So gravity matters. And keep this straight into your heart. Okay, with x and y. And don't forget them ever.